One of our most favorite places to visit is Disney World. We've visited Disney World so many times, yet we always find new and old favorite things to do. Staying in one of the Disney Resort hotels, I think, is part of the extended park experience. This time, we stayed at Port Orleans Riverside. The hotel looks like old mansion style and themed from the movie Princess and the Frog. We had the royal room, and this room had cute royal relics from different Disney movies around the room.
A royal letter from Tiana. Here's our princess room. Look at the bed frame. So pretty. Mickey. There's us. This is 3D. 3D.
And below, that's the dog paw chair from Beauty and the Beast and Aladdin's carpet right there.
This is so cute. I want one of these. It's the magic lamp.
I really wanted to take these animated headboards home with me. Look at how cool and magical that is. You get fireworks on your bed. Just exploring around the resort, there's horse-drawn carriages that you can ride. There's a fun pool area of King Triton riding the water dragon. It was pretty peaceful walking around it in the evening. It's like we had the whole water park to ourselves. It's a very fun themed resort. We had a lot of fun exploring every nook and cranny. This is also one of the very few spots where you can get Mickey beignets. Beignets is a fluffy pastry covered in powdered sugar that you see in the movie Princess and the Frog. I feel like we're inside the park because we saw a lot of characters randomly walking around. There's Chip and Dale, and there's Daisy Duck right outside the window. The most awesome thing about this resort is the boat river ride. The boat is one of the transportation methods to get around. It takes you from one side of the resort, from Riverside to the French Quarters. If you stay on the boat, it'll take you all the way to Disney Springs. And for all that don't know, Disney Springs is Disney's themed shopping and dining area. There's a lot of unique Disney-themed shops here. This one's the Christmas shop where they sell all sorts of Disney-themed ornaments. There's my mom and my sister looking at their ornament. Which one do you want to buy? I see Mickey hiding in the tree. This one is a painting store. If you want that painting, you can have it for only $4,310. Disney Springs is pretty much a park itself. You can spend the whole day exploring it too. The hotel is definitely part of the vacation. I felt like we were already in Disney before we even stepped foot in any of the parks. I didn't realize our room was this close to the parks.
You're gonna see the fireworks behind the tree.
Now it's time to visit the actual Disney World parks. We visited all 4 parks and we found 3 new favorite rides we've never been on before. First one is Mickey's Runaway Railway. It's a tongue twister. Mickey's Runaway Railway. The style is super cool. It's bringing you inside a 2D animation, and some of the effects are very clever. The second one we really enjoyed is The Rise of the Resistance. You don't have to be a Star Wars fan to be amazed by how huge the world is on this ride. They really pull you in the story. They have cast members while waiting in line, and they have many interactive skits.
All right, we're with the Resistance. We're to rescue y'all. Let's go.
This one was amazing. And the animatronics movement are very realistic. I can't even tell if it's human or animatronics anymore. I don't even consider myself a huge Star Wars fan. And I can consider this one, The Rise of the Resistance, my most favorite ride in all 4 parks ever. Galaxy's Edge, Star Wars Land, has some of the most unusual and delicious food. Here's what we had.
We're back at our favorite restaurant. I got Galaxy food. And look, my mama has some ribs.
Ribs with something underneath.
Yes. It's gonna fall.
Oh.
Then we sister looks like she got hot dog.
Maybe.
Soft and juicy. Falafel. And then you dip it in pink sauce. I like garlic sauce.
And my third favorite is Navi's Riverside. It's my favorite just for this scene. It's super cool to see a huge life-size avatar come to life.
For snack time, eating Avatar food. Pandora food. Avatar.
Did you know they had a petting zoo in Animal Kingdom? We found a train that goes to a place where you can pet goats. For a bit, this almost didn't look like we were at Disney. We enjoyed many other rides, but what's even more enjoyable is trying all the delicious park snacks, especially Epcot's International Food and Wine Festival. First taste is this Hawaiian rice bowl with spam, eggs, eel sauce, and spicy mayo. Then we tried
Stone bread, lamb kebabs.
I eat this every time we go to Epcot. The bread is delicious. I love all the different dips. The lamb is so tender and juicy, and the salad underneath is sweet and delicious.
Italian nachos. It's spaghetti and chips.
And then there's these unusual park food like fries with corn and cheese. And then this one's more normal, brownie and ice cream. Dole Whip float and the crunchiest, fluffiest funnel cake. And you can't go wrong with crunchy chicken while waiting for the parade. Another new thing we tried is we went to Mickey's Very Merry Christmas Party. It was so fun and jam-packed with new holiday-themed things to do. I made a separate video about it. Please go see the other video if you want to see how awesome this party was. And it really was awesome. Another amazing memory made. Till next time, Disney.